Hi everyone, welcome to WIX tutorials for beginners. In this video training, we will learn how to create WIX account. Well friends, open up your browser and type wix.com. Hit enter and here we are. This is the WIX official website. To create a WIX website, we need to create an account. Well friends, here you can see get started button. Also the same button here on the top right corner. You can use any of this. I'm going to hit here. Just click get started to create an account, and here you can see sign up page, and we have several options. We can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, Apple, or we can enter our email address. Here I'm going to enter my email address and hit continue with email button. Okay, I'm going to set a password here and hit sign up button. Okay, here we are. This is the onboarding process. We'll answer some questions. Who are you creating a website for? Actually, I'm going to create for my business. Or if you want to create for your client, just select the second option. I'm going to select first option, then hit continue. Well friends, here we have two options. We can chat with AI and create our website. And here you can see setup without chat. I'm just going to select this option, setup without chat. And here you can see what is your site all about. It's a portfolio website. So I'm going to select this one and hit continue. Okay, here you can see what do you want to call your website. I'm going to call it Alex Garrett's Portfolio. Okay, hit continue. Okay, here you can see what are your goals for this website. Just type, I want to showcase my graphics design work. Okay, hit continue again. Okay, at this moment, I just want to showcase my work with WIX Portfolio. I don't need booking, services, store anything. Just click add and continue. WIX AI will create site for us. Well friends, welcome to the dashboard of WIX website. Here it is. Here you can see Alex Garrett's portfolio, and here is the website, and here you can see design sites. If I click over here, and it will bring us to the design page. Okay, here you can see the prompt is ready. Just click this button to design site for you. Well friends, the WIX AI has created a portfolio website for us. Here it is. Now we can hit publish. And here is the website URL. And here you can see preview button. Just click preview. And here is the preview of our portfolio website. It's fantastic. Just click publish. Okay. Congrats, your site is published. Now to visit your website, click this link. And here is our website. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so what we can do, if we would like to edit this site, just hit edit site button. And here we are. If you would like to get back to the WIX dashboard, just click here and get here. You can see go to dashboard, click go to dashboard. Here is the dashboard. And again, if you would like to access the site, here you can see, click over here. And here you can see go to all sites, click over here. And here you can see sites. And here you will find all the websites you have created. Okay, again, if you would like to go to your site, click over here. You can see view live site. And here is your website. And click over here again. And you can duplicate the site. Now, if you would like to edit your website, just hover on it. And here you can see select site and edit site. Just click edit site. Okay, here we are. From here, we can edit our website. Say, for example, we want to change the name. Just select it and double click on it, and I'm going to change Henry Bean. Okay, that's great. And when your editing is done, on the top right corner, here you can see publish. Just click publish button and hit publish. It's still working, and here you can see, congrats, your site is published. Okay, that's great. Okay, if you would like to see how it looks on mobile, just click over here. This is how it looks on mobile phone. Absolutely. So friends, I believe you enjoyed watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get great videos every time.